Austin Intercultural Network aims to celebrate diversity and promote cultural collaborations in the Austin community. In keeping with that, the organization held an exciting night of fun and fashion with the annual fundraiser, Intercultural Fashion Show at the Rio in downtown Austin, Texas. Local designers' boutiques showcased their upcoming collection at the show, where people from different diversities and walks of life came together. A South Asian designer showcased her collection at the fashion show, where Bridal Motif and also Marigold Gateway to India, a local boutique, participated in the show with fashions from India.
We are here at Club Rio for the Austin Intercultural Network Fashion Show, where diverse designers from different cultures have come together under one roof, exhibiting the latest and the greatest collection of the finest apparel. Through the medium of fashion show, AIN aims to celebrate diversity and promote cultural collaboration in the Austin community. This is Seema Govil for TV Asia. Let's go check out the fashion show now. Mark, I saw you enjoying the fashion show. So what do you think this kind of fashion show does to bridge the gap in the different cultures in Austin, Texas?
I think it's a fantastic fashion show to bridge the gap between different cultures in Austin and throughout the world, looking at different fashions from different countries and people from different ethnic backgrounds.
I think it was wonderful. It was a diverse crowd. It was a diverse fashion show. There were so many different looks, and I especially like the Indian and the Guatemalan look. I love that.
My name's Geeta Singh, and I think it was absolutely fabulous. Shalini did a wonderful job. All the designers did a wonderful job. We got to see a lot of different designers in Austin, which we didn't even know about. Really beautiful evening.
My name is Amory Wright Thomasak, and I love the Intercultural Fashion Show. As it says, it was very cultural, beautiful. Each and every fashion designer did an amazing job, and I'm glad I was here to experience the whole amazing fashion show.
Talking to David. He's one of the hairstylists here tonight. You did such a fantastic job. The hair looked so different and cool. And so give us a little trend on hairstyles for 2015.
The biggest trend I see at the moment, as everything comes around, is just so beautiful. Ponytails, man. Ponytails have been so fun and so easy. It's a trend that everyone can do at home. Everyone can have fun with it. And it's just simple, and it looks good.
to Jaya Shukla. She was one of the Indian designers in the fashion show tonight. So Jaya, just give us a little brief on the fashion trends in spring 2015.
Yeah, hi. The trends right now globally, we talk about like India also. I do a lot of Indian fashion, so it's more straighter cuts are going on. And when we talk about springs in general, it's a lot of florals and the colors are aqua and oranges going on right now. A lot of skirts are in right now in different lengths. That's what we see here.
You ready? I hope you're ready. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Jennifer, you are wearing this beautiful outfit by Jaya Shukla. How did you feel walking the ramp with this Indian outfit? You look so pretty.
Thank you very much. I've been a model here in Austin for about 5 years now, and I've modeled for Jaya several times over the last few years, and there's just no designer quite like her. With her unique way of blending the cultures that she's familiar with, it's such an honor to work for a designer with such an elaborate and beautiful aesthetic that's so true to the traditional forms. It's such an honor to be here and to model for a designer of this caliber.
So congratulations, Shalini, first of all. It was just a fabulous, marvelous, fantabulous event that you put it together. How did you, I'm curious, how did you put up this thing together with so many different cultures and countries under one roof?
Thank you so much, Sina. I really appreciate your comments. And also thank you for TV Asia for being here. So it was actually hard work, but it was easy because Austin is a melting pot of cultures. And we have people from all over the world right here in Austin, Texas. And we were blessed to have such great designers right here in Austin that it was easy. And Austin needs something like this. So I'm really excited we were able to do this.
The event that we just concluded this evening was organized by Shalini Klamar, our executive director, supported by the board of directors, including myself and Isaiah Dow. We had about 400 people show up this evening. We had 13 designers and of various cultures and backgrounds. The designs that we saw this evening were gladly donated by the designers themselves, as well as the time from the models. We had a number of sponsors, which we were very happy to have back us up. The goal of this fashion show is to raise money for our organization. Once we've raised the money, we're putting on a multicultural festival this fall. Every year we intend to put on a multicultural festival and grow it. This is our third annual fashion show fundraiser. We also do other events like outreach into schools, particularly elementary and junior highs, in order to give them exposure to different cultures and how cultures can work together.